Hello students, this is Rachna Pandey. How are you all? Hope you all are good and fine, beta. So in today's class, we are going to discuss our exercise. Okay, our exercise in geography classes, and we are doing the exercise of chapter number 7. Okay, the chapter number 7, our countries. And beta, in this exercise, we already done starting 1 to 7 questions, and now in today's class we are going to discuss take the correct answer. Okay, so chapter number 7. Okay, take the correct answer. And in take the correct answer, our first question is the southernmost Himalayas are known as. Okay, the southernmost Himalayas are known as what? And here is our options: Shivalis, and option 2 is Himadri, and option 3 is Himachal. Okay, option 3 is Himachal. So the southernmost Himalayas are known as, and our answer is Shivali. Okay, so southernmost Himalaya को किस नाम से जानते हैं हम? We know as Shivali. And now the next question: Sahyadris is also known as. Question number B is Sahyadri is also known as what? Okay, Sahyadri is also known as, and here we have 3 options and we have to choose the correct one. First option is Aravalli, second option is Western Ghats, Western Ghats, and our third option is Himadri. Okay, third option is Himadri. So now the correct answer is, I hope you know the correct answer. Sahyadris is also known as Western Ghats. Okay, the correct answer is Western Ghat. Clear? And the next question is, the Pak Strait lies between the countries. Okay, listen carefully. The next is, the Pak Strait lies between the countries. And here is the question number C. The Pak Strait lies between the countries. And here is option Sri Lanka and Maldives, Sri Lanka and Maldives, and second option is India and Sri Lanka, India and Sri Lanka, and the third option is India and Maldives, India and Maldives. Okay, so these are our options. The Pak Strait lies between the countries, and here is our options: Sri Lanka and Maldives, India and Sri Lanka, and India and Maldives. So Pak Strait कहाँ पर है? Pak Strait is location is in India and Sri Lanka. Okay, Pak Strait डिवाइड करता है इंडिया एंड श्रीलंका को. ओके, सो नाउ बेटा यू कैन टेक स्क्रीनशॉट. नाउ यू कैन टेक स्क्रीनशॉट. Okay, now the next, and the next, take the correct question is, the Indian island in the Arabian Sea are known as. Okay, listen carefully. The Indian island in the Arabian Sea are known as. The Indian Iceland in the Arabian Sea are known as dash are known as, here is our option first, option second and option third. In option first, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, and the second is Lakshadweep Island. Second is Lakshadweep Island, and third is Maldives. Third is Maldives. Okay. Now beta, our answer is the Indian island in the Arabian Sea are known as Lakshadweep Island. Okay. In your classes, I was described it. Okay. मैंने आपकी क्लासेस में शो किया था with image the location of Lakshadweep Island. So I hope you all know that the Indian island is in Arabian Sea is Lakshadweep Island. Okay. Okay. So now we are moving to the next question. Indicate the correct answer, and this is the last question in this portion. Sorry. The question is the oldest mountain range in India is the, here is our option first, option second, and now option third, and we have to choose the right answer. Okay, so our first option is Aravalli Hills. First option is Aravalli Hills. Okay, and our second option is Western Ghat. Second option is Western Ghat, and the third option is Himalayas. Okay, third option is Himalayas, and I hope you know the answer. It is Aravalli Hills. Okay, it is Aravalli Hills. Means Aravalli Hills are the oldest mountain range in India. Okay, कौन सी माउंटेन रेंज सबसे पुरानी माउंटेन रेंज है in India? And the name of that mountain range is Aravalli Hills. Okay, and beta now you can take a screenshot. Then after we will discuss about fill in the blanks. Okay. Okay. So now we are going to do fill in the blanks. And fill in the blanks. Our first in the blanks is India has an area of about dash. Okay, and our next fill in the blanks is the Great Himalaya The Great Himalayas are also known as dash, and the next is the largest state in India in term of area is. Okay, and the option B, the river Narmada the river Narmada falls into the dash sea. Okay, the river Narmada falls into the dash sea, and the last in the blanks is the latitude that runs almost halfway through India is Okay, now we have to fill these blanks, and India has an area of about 3.28 million square. Okay, million square, and the Great Himalayas are also known as Himadri. Okay, Great Himalaya are also known as what? As Himadri, and the largest state in India in terms of area is Rajasthan. Yes, the state name is Rajasthan. Okay, and the next, the river Narmada falls into the which sea? We discussed this point in our classroom. The river Narmada falls into the Arabian Sea. Okay, into the Arabian Sea. Clear? And now the next and the last, the latitude that runs almost halfway through India is the Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer. Okay, the Tropic of Cancer. Now these fill in the blanks are completed. Now you can take a screenshot. Okay. Okay, beta. So now today our question answer are completed, and we will discuss next chapter in our next classes. Okay. So thank you, class.